Today in a segment we will discussing about unforgettable moments in my life. Okay, today before going and future. Hi everyone, my name is Shandayu. I'm from Communication Studies, class of 2022, and this is my story. Okay, in business and story. Okay, in 2008 there was we 4 years old. Uh, Me and my friends. Okay. For business and story atau or first video. Okay, ulang. Okay, in 2008 it was 4 years old. Okay, uh, at the time it was just very young. Okay, it's very young. It's for us anyone, maybe anyone. Okay, not me. Okay, at the moment in the it's when we think that being an adult is fun, when even though it turns out that in our life is not. Okay, at the time I was friends with my friends. They them call Amar and Fikri. They invite me to go to playing on stadium. Okay, the stadium is near with my house. Okay, but the time because of my young age, I'm 4 years, and the condition the road where the vehicles were many, my parents and my sister that allowed me go to stadium did not allow me. Okay, not allow me for. Okay, not allow me go to stadium. For example, this distance between my house and the stadium is only 15 meters. Okay, you could say you could say my house complex is adjacent to the stadium. Okay. Back to the story. One afternoon, at the time, Fikri and Amar invite me to going to stadium to watch us to watch a football match. But I'm forget what is the football match that I don't know. Okay, okay. At that time, I was doubtful because I had been warned not to go far to the stadium. But in the end, I agreed to join my two friends, lied to my parents. When we arrived at the stadium, everything was running normally. We watched the football match from the sides in the field, and occasionally climbed in the stairs. Okay, it's normally okay. After then, we are Fikri and Amar took me to the side of grandstand where there was a full water store tower. Okay, at the time it was I'm so afraid to go up because it was falling, but I was always inaugurated by Fikri and Amar's invite me by saying things like this. Sandayu, come on, go up with us. Let us just watch. Let just watch the football in the top of the tower. When I heard to invite, I just went up. Okay. At the time, I went up to reach the top of the tower. It's normally, but no problem. Okay. But an unforgettable incident occurred on top of the tower. I was wrong in placing my feet above, and finally I fell from the top and the tower, and my fall position hit my back. Okay. Suddenly my friends came down from the top of the tower and helped me but there I could say incident and endure the intense pain in my back. After that they took me home with me in very sick condition and unable to cry. In the moment until now has been one first unforgettable moment for my life, and how I so naughty I was at the time by not listening to my parents' advice and favoring what my friends said. Maybe that is a story that I can give about unforgettable moment in my life. Thank you for watching, and sorry if my English lesson or my speak English is not good. Thank you.